Here at Tata Motors stall at the Auto Expo, people have spent hours on the other side of this box staring at the X451 concept. That's the hatchback concept from Tata Motors on the new AMP platform, and reason enough to stare at it, it looks beautiful. And while it looks very concept-y, it is a car that's headed to production and will be here in 2019, if not very latest by March 2020. But what's really interesting is what's at the back of the box, and those are these lines over here which show what all the X45 platform can do. As you can see, you've got the pink line there that shows that it can form into an SUV. You've got the yellow line, which is the hatchback, and the blue, which is kind of a crossover, and the green, which talks of a sedan. Sometimes it's better to be behind the scenes, especially here at Tata Motors stall at the Auto Expo. Why? That is Tata Motors' brand new H5X. And yes, it is a concept. Can you guess how much of it will come into production? Let's find out. The short answer, 80% of this concept is making its way into production, as Tata Motors chief designer Pratap Bose just told us. And in fact, if you look at the rear of the car, it is unbelievable. That's something so dramatic. The 3D effect for the tail lamps, the way the slingshot line runs into them. A little bit of the details might change, but that is going into production pretty much as is. And this is a rival to the likes of Mahindra's XUV500, the Jeep Compass, and looking at how well that segment has been doing, Tata Motors is pretty confident of racking up big numbers here with the H5X. Now, this is of course based on a platform that Tata Motors has borrowed from Jaguar Land Rover, actually specifically from Land Rover, and it is an all-new platform, and this can also support a variety of body styles. This is called the H5X because this is one of the body styles that it's carrying. You can expect more iterations on this later. What else can we tell you about the H5X? Exciting on the outside, and on the inside, it won't lose out on practicality. You look at the roofline, it looks particularly swoopy, but Tata Motors insists, like they did with the Nexon, which also had a very swoopy roofline, this too will have good cabin space for the rear occupants. What about the price? Well, we don't know just yet. We're far off from that, but you can expect it to be in that ballpark of 14 to 18 lakh rupees, and you will see this in showrooms not too far from now, by April 2019 at the very latest.